Hey guys, BeaverCraft sent me this awesome tool. If you like sharp things that can cut you, like I do, this is definitely something to look at. All right, let's take a look at this little beauty. It comes with a belt loop, which is awesome. You can see the logo on there. I'll get you guys in some better light here in a second. And so that's your hatchet belt loop. Kind of cool. And this is made out of real leather. And this is wrapped up nicely in here. And there is the mini hatchet. I'll get to the specs here in a second. But just a beauty little unit. It comes with a nice little sheath, nice snap, nice hardware on it. Stitches looks good. Again, this is leather. It was pretty sharp out of the box. I'm gonna have to touch it up a bit, but it'll cut you for sure. It's just a little guy too, like compared to my other hatchets, and I've got a couple of those. I'll show you here. So there you go. That's kind of a regular size lineup of hatchets that you might be used to carrying or using. This guy on the right is a beauty Swede. This one here is German. This is a beauty little plum hatchet I picked up. That's not the original handle. It's probably a little bit shorter than the original handle would have been. That's a Flying Fox council tool, which is a beauty. And there is a Fisker's beater. And there is this is a hewing axe. I picked this head up, and it's a little hewing hatchet actually. And I put that short handle on it. But I don't have anything this short. Here's this one here. And there's the BeaverCraft. And that's an awesome little tool. They also make another tool. Check their website out. That's just kind of awesome for carving. You can do a little bushcraft with it. Obviously, this would be a great size hatchet to stick on your pack. Great for a bug out bag. Yeah, just a kind of a useful size for sure. And I'm tempted to whip this thing around, but I'll save my council tool, Flying Fox, for that. I'm not really into throwing hatchets or throwing axes around. I'm not into throwing my tools around in general. It's irresponsible, and that's not why I bought it. The pole or the butt definitely is usable for sure. This is a great little hammer if you're driving in tent pegs or, you know what, just beating stuff silly. The lug looks pretty cool on it. It's a nice design, definitely kind of vintagey look to it. I like the look of this thing. It's slick. So the cheeks come out pretty hard, so it's going to be a good little splitter for sure. And again, I haven't really put it to the test here, but what can you do to it? It's made out of hardwood and steel. The handle's nice. It feels great in the hand. It's not too skinny. And it fattens up at the end where the lanyard hole is. And you know what, that's kind of nice. It's not going to slip out. So the compact hatchet length is 11.81 inches. Head length is 5.5 inches. Blade width is 3 inches. Handle length is 9.5 inches. The steel is made out of 1066 carbon with a Rockwell scale of 56 to 58. Handle material is ash wood. Sheath material is cowhide leather. Here it is fully dressed. There is the belt loop deal right there. And again, it's pretty heavy duty leather, although this thing doesn't weigh much. So I don't know if I'd want something this heavy on my belt, but a lot of people do. BeaverCraft is right into carving tools. Check their website out. They make all kinds of stuff for carvers. And this is one of them. So this is meant to be a tool for carving. This would be a great little bushcraft hatchet for sure. It's got the lanyard loop here for people that use lanyards. I don't put them on much. I got a couple knives maybe with lanyards on them, but I just figure, you know, I'll get tangled up in it or something. But it's just a useful little tool. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Check these little hatchets out. They're awesome. I hope you have a great weekend.